Jadi Bergen ini adalah negara hujan. Tiap hari hujan, 360 hari hujan. Jadi 3 bulan itu hujan terus-menerus, nggak pernah berhenti. Nah, berhubung hari ini hujan, jadi air terjunnya lebih banyak daripada hari biasanya. Kalau lu lihat di belakang gue nih, itu salah satu air terjunnya kita kunjungin hari ini. Nah, belakang kita itu air terjunnya. Kita sekarang mau ke atas itu, mau jalan situ, kita cuma punya waktu sekitar 40 menit lah gitu. Mau gitu. Kita jalan dulu yuk. Oh, by the way, kamera yang gue pakai hari ini GoPro Hero 7. Dan hasilnya begini. Bedanya GoPro Hero 7 sama Osmo Pocket itu, kalau Osmo Pocket dia lebih stabil ya, dan dia emang gimbal, jadi ya bukan elektronik. Nah, kalau yang si GoPro Hero 7 ini elektronik dia. Gile, dingin banget di sini. Dan asli pemandangannya bagus banget. Oke, waterfall kali ini selesai sampai di sini karena kita cuma punya waktu 40 menit, dan gue udah ke WC dulu, ke atas tadi. Terus sekarang waktunya gue balik ke bis dan gue bakal ke fjordnya. You need to say something, man.
What do you want me to say?
Anything.
GoPro sample. Oh my gosh.
What is that, man?
The swans there, the lovely boat there, Viking boat there.
So what is this? What is this place?
It's some fjord and somewhere in Norway.
Somewhere in Norway.
Somewhere in Norway. I have no idea where we are.
So guys, this is Alex.
Hi.
It's one of my working mates. So right now we're in Norway. We're spending our time. It's our free time. GoPro, take a photo.
No, I turned it off.
Oh yeah.
Because too many people around with GoPros. So.
I know. So let's get to the bus. And are you going to the fjord as well?
Huh?
Are you going to the fjord?
I think it's the same tour. Or
Same tour like me? What number
this
is
one?
yours?
5, you 4.
Oh yeah,
125, yes.
Yeah.
Where are we going next?
So next one will be fjord.
Let's go for the sandwich.
You want sandwich? How long we have time? We don't have enough time.
Well, just grab with us. No?
You're not allowed to eat in the
for
bus.
example.
Alright, he asking to get us some sandwich. Yeah. Are you gonna go inside?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're on board. I'm ready.
dan terima kasih. Pokoknya tur hari ini selesai sampai di sini. Tadi banyak hujannya dan sensor gua kotor karena ludah gua sendiri. Jadi ya, sampai ketemu di tur berikutnya sama gua Bagas. Bye bye.